Greetings, everyone. This is Angela Nelson, the Wealth Builder and a member of the Extra Digit Movement, creating wealth one digit at a time, back with video number 10 from our 10-20-30 campaign. Now, what is that? 10 financial freedom facts that are going to help you in the year 2020, carry you through 2030 and beyond. We've had a great time, and today I just want to do something real simple. I want to give you a recap of all 10 videos. Now, I encourage you to go back through the playlist and look at all 10 as I hit on different things. But we started with 2 financial objectives that everybody in this country should have. The fact of the matter is, until you learn the rules of the game in capitalism, you don't even know that the financial objectives even exist. Your current lifestyle, number 1, should be paid for by your labor. Now, what does that mean? That means we all go to work every single day, or we own a business so that we can provide for our families, their clothes, a roof, food, water, basic necessities, education. But your future lifestyle is paid for by your investments. That's goal number 2. And it's hard to even think about goal number 2, which is the future, if you're barely making it in the present. We also talked about 4 financial challenges that keep you from hitting these 2 objectives. Number 1, inflation, the silent income killer. Every single day, the value of your dollar drops because entrepreneurs continue to increase the price of goods and services. If you can't increase the amount of money you make every single day at the same rate that a business owner is increasing the price of their goods and services, then your dollar is losing value. Another challenge is taxes. Taxes take up the first 1/3 of your paycheck. You don't believe me? I'm not going to argue with you. Look at your pay stub, and you will see gross and you'll see net. And oftentimes, your net makes you feel gross. It's because of the taxes. Another challenge is debt. Debt is real simple. Debt is caused by taxes. If the government didn't take so much off the top, we wouldn't have to borrow so much on the bottom. And last but not least, big business has a way of making sure every single month, every single day, every single coupon, every single commercial, every single color, every single tune that they play, every single commercial is designed to get in your pockets. And we wonder why we don't have enough money left to invest. Inflation, taxes, debt, and big business have a way of making sure that you never hit your 2 financial goals. We talked about the rules of the game. It's capitalism, guys. Don't get mad at capitalism. Just learn how to participate in capitalism instead of only contributing to capitalism. Some people don't even know that a game is being played, and they are major pawns in it, and people will take advantage of that. We talked about the solutions, and the solutions are simple. Let's get your cash flow up. Cash flow is measured in time. Income is measured in dollars. Your dollars may be okay, but your cash flow is how long your money actually stays with you. A lot of Americans have great income but negative cash flow. Taxes have to go down. Debt has to go down. Expenses have to go down in order for your cash flow to go up. We talked about business. Why? A home-based business. Why? You already have a place to live. Now let's turn some of your expenses into tax deductions. Wealthy people do it all the time. You see athletes start a foundation for you in the inner cities. You see actors buy a lot of land, save the llamas, they save the silverback gorillas. Why? It's not that they are not benevolent. It's not that they don't have big hearts, but it's also a huge tax deduction because of the amount of money that the athletes and entertainers make. Well, the common person's way, or the middle class's way of playing by the rules of the wealthy is to start in your home. Why? Because you already have one. By the time you take your positive cash flow and you take your business income from your home-based business and parlay that into your investment income, you've finally brought your second goal full circle. Something has to work, just not you. Now that you're investing, you can't outwork your money. Money doesn't get tired. It doesn't call in. It doesn't get a headache. It doesn't have an attitude. All money knows is to create and make more money. Then and only then, ladies and gentlemen, will your second financial objective be obtained. Listen, text recap. If now you understand that it's time for you to make a difference. Text recap if you now believe that you're the only person you can depend on and for your financial freedom, flexibility, and abundance. It's up to you. It's up to you. As usual, from our 10-20-30 campaign, I promise I will respond personally. Text recap to 901-290-7118. And I encourage you to watch all 10 videos from our 10-20-30 campaign. You know why? Because education is key and knowledge rules the world.